Fennel water, a refreshing beverage made from fennel seeds, is becoming more and more well-known, due to its amazing health benefits. In addition to its delicious flavor and aroma, this natural drink has many benefits for your overall health. Number 1. Aids digestion. Fennel water acts as a natural digestive aid, helping to soothe an upset stomach and promote smooth digestion. Its carminative properties can ease discomfort after a heavy meal, leaving you feeling light and revitalized. Number 2. Supports weight loss. This low-calorie drink helps curb cravings and suppress appetite, making it a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. Plus, its diuretic properties assist in flushing out toxins and reducing water retention, helping you achieve your fitness goals faster. Number 3. Boosts immunity. Packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids, this beverage helps strengthen your body's defense against infections and illnesses. Regular consumption can help ward off seasonal colds and flu, keeping you feeling healthy and vibrant. Number 4. Improves eye health. Rich in vitamin A, this potent elixir supports optimal eye health and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Add them into your daily routine for a refreshing way to nourish your eyes from within. Number 5. Regulated blood sugar levels. Fennel seeds contain compounds that help regulate insulin production and glucose metabolism, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Enjoy a glass of fennel water as a part of your balanced diet to support overall metabolic health. Number 6. Soothes menstrual symptoms. Fennel water offers relief from menstrual discomfort and cramps. Its antispasmodic properties help relax the muscles of the uterus, easing painful menstrual cramps and bloating. Sip on some fennel water during that time of the month for natural relief and comfort. Number 7. Freshens breath. Its antibacterial properties help combat odor-causing bacteria in the mouth, leaving you with long-lasting freshness and confidence. Say hello to minty fresh breath with a sip of fennel water anytime, anywhere. Number 8. Promotes skin health. Loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, this revitalizing drink helps combat free radical damage and inflammation, reducing the risk of skin issues like acne and premature aging. Add fennel water to your beauty regime for a clear, luminous complexion.